engineering stage, so we have various stages in engineering design. That is, we have like research, design requirements, feasibility, concept generation, preliminary design, detailed design, and the production planning. Once again, I'm repeating. So some of the common stages in the engineering design phase are like research. Okay, next design requirements, feasibility, concept generation, preliminary design, detailed design, and production planning. Okay, so normally we have the engineering design process. Okay, so this is nothing but creating of functional product and process. Okay, so these functions, okay, are you can say created. Okay, this process is highly iterative process, and it's in parts. Okay, part by part, and this can be repeated as many number of times. Okay, and this is, it's also a decision making process, and it's often iterative. Okay, so that is the thing. Okay, so if you see this engineering design stage, we have the various activities here. Okay, so if you see the engineering stage, okay, and the production stage, as you know, it's divided by the larger teams doing the construction testing. Okay, so this is the thing, or you can say construction test and deployment activities. So if you compare the life cycle aspect with the this thing, engineering and production. Okay, so we have the various emphasis here. So, okay, so if you take, we have various kind of aspects like risk reduction. Okay, risk reduction, products, activities, assessment, okay, economics, and management. So if you take the first one, risk reduction, okay, so it emphasizes on the schedule and technical feasibility, and in production stage it emphasizes on the cost. Whereas in the products, if you take the life cycle aspect, so this emphasis on the architecture baseline. Okay, so this is very important question also, the architecture baseline. This will be getting in short answer questions also in exam. Okay, so if you take the architecture baseline, so what does it mean? Okay, architecture baseline is the as is or current architecture. Okay, this architecture baseline, it includes the architecture assets from all architecture domains. Okay, so typical architecture assets includes like business policies, business practices, and business processes, application interfaces, and relationships to the business process. So normally this baseline, architecture baseline, is a part, okay, or part of the management kind of thing. Okay, so that is the thing. So next, if you see the so we have in production stage, we have the product line baseline. So what does it mean? What do you mean by product line baseline? So this is also very important one. Okay, product line baseline. Okay, so this plays a very important role in the technical kind of aspects. Okay, so if you see product line baseline, what does it mean? So this is regarding the configuration and building of the product, or you can say management. Okay, the product baseline is the approved technical documentation which describes the configuration, okay, of change during the production, or you can say development of the product or a software. Okay, that is the thing. So that is thing. Next, if you see activities, so we have in the engineering stage, it will be emphasis on the analysis